Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful builder gel flowers. First, gather your essential tools, including builder gel, a fine detail brush, and a UV or LED curing lamp. Next, prepare your nail by gently cleaning, shaping, and applying a thin layer of base coat. Finally, select your desired gel colors for the petals and the flower center, ensuring they complement each other beautifully. Now, let's start crafting those delicate petals. Begin by placing a small bead of builder gel onto your prepared nail surface. Using your fine detail brush, gently pull and shape the gel into your desired petal form, ensuring a natural look. After shaping each petal, cure it under your UV or LED lamp for approximately 30 seconds to ensure it sets perfectly before moving on. With your first petal set, continue the process, creating additional petals around the center. Overlap them slightly to build a full, realistic flower shape. Once all petals are in place, add a tiny dot of a contrasting gel color in the very center to form the flower's core. Finally, cure the entire completed flower design under your lamp for a full 60 seconds to ensure it is completely hardened and durable. To complete your stunning builder gel flower, apply a generous layer of clear top coat over the entire nail. This step protects your intricate design and adds a beautiful, long-lasting shine. Cure the top coat under your UV or LED lamp for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on your lamp's wattage. Finally, cleanse the nail with an alcohol wipe to remove any sticky inhibition layer, revealing your perfect floral nail art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.